The methodology for the research involved several universities. In Spain, 2 public and 1 private. 1 private in France and 1 public in the United States. Students were enrolled in the 4th junior or senior year, and the sample was formed by 90 Spanish students, 52 French, and 108 American. The classroom environment scale shows a Cronbach alpha of 0.877, and concerning the dimensions, the factor classroom environment included 4 items such as the instructor conveys enthusiasm in the classroom with an alpha of 0.831. The factor learning climate included 4 items such as in this course we work in groups with an alpha of 0.666. The factor performance climate included also 4 items such as the instructor explained clearly the course objectives with an alpha of 0.847. Finally, the factor classroom equipment included 4 items as well, such as the classroom equipment facilitates learning with an alpha of 0.927. We perform factor analysis of these subsamples, and the first 4 components explain 69.82% of the total variance. That is, explain a high percentage of the variability of the data. A principal component analysis with Varimax rotation was performed on the 16 items of the scale. The chosen items loaded correctly on the right factors. The first factors was represented by the items of the dimension classroom environment created by the instructor. This factor explained 17.73% of the total variance. The second factor was represented by the variables defining the dimension classroom equipment. Loadings were very high in this case, over 0.88, with this factor explaining 21.12% of the variance. The third factor consisted of the dimension performance in the classroom. Loadings ranged from 0.68 to 0.81, and the factor explained 19.50% of the variance. The fourth component corresponded to the dimension learning climate. 3 of the items of this dimension obtained appropriate loadings. As for the 4th item, although with a rather low loading, 0.34, loaded the appropriate factor and was positive. This last dimension explained 11.91% of the variance. In conclusion, we have designed a multi-factor scale to measure classroom environment through several factors that affect the teaching-learning process. The scale consists of 4 factors: instructor's personality, interaction climate, learning and performance climates, and the classroom environment. Finally, this is an instrument with the appropriate validity and reliability, and instructors will benefit from measuring instruments of their educational context. Here you are some basic references in case you are interested. We highlight the Ferrer, Caja, and Weiss article from 2002. And last, we want to thank Rubén Pérez Ramón for the collaboration in this video and all the students that have participated in our research.